Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my fried chicken with fried plantain, okay? And also I'm going to have my coleslaw known as pickles in Haiti. It's very delicious and easy. I'm going to show you guys what to do. Okay, and here as you can see, I have my fish already cleaned up and well marinated from last night, guys. And then so because I did that, everything you see in there can stick in the meat, okay? And I have all my vegetable for my pickles, okay? And here I have flour for my fish, and also I have my plantain and salt water, okay? And here I have my coleslaw, okay? I have one lime for it, okay? Now let's start cooking that. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to start with my plantain, okay? I'm going to fry them first, and then I'll start with my fish, okay? Let me put that up. Okay. From my previous video, guys, I showed you guys how I make my pickles already. But whatever you want to do, guys, if you want to get it pre-cut, if you want to get the bag from wherever you want to go, from your local store, you can go ahead and then do that. If you don't want to go through the whole process, okay, that's what I did. I just get the bag and then just cut up my vegetables, okay? So what I'm going to do now, while this cooking, I'm going to finish up my pickles, okay? I'm going to add all my vegetables, carrots, hot pepper, onions, okay, green pepper, and tomato, okay, and fresh parsley. Mix it up. Okay, my lime, I'm going to squeeze it in. I showed you guys already, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Now I'm adding some salt, 1 teaspoon salt, and black pepper. Okay. Onion powder. It's optional, guys. If you want to use that, it's up to you. Okay, now I'm going to add Maggi powder. Okay, let me just go ahead and, you can get the powder, guys, or you can just go for the cubes. Okay. Okay, I'm mixing everything up. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, we'll check on our plantain. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how I prepared my fish. Okay, now let me show you guys here. Okay, my plantain already cooked. Okay, as I showed you guys before, what I'm going to do with my plantain, I'm going to use that presser and then squeeze them down. You see that? Okay, I showed you guys already. And for my fish, I wear gloves, right? And then what I'm going to do with my fish, I'm going to start adding some flour. Okay, not too much, guys, because I don't like too much flour on my fish. Okay, let me turn them over. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. All right, now let me just put them in the grease. Let me take off my gloves. You know, just one. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to, okay. All right. So I'm going to let them cook, guys, until I get my golden brown color. Okay. See that? Okay, when we come back, we'll check on them, okay? Come back, guys. Okay, guys. Now I want to show you guys how everything looks so far. Okay. My fish almost ready. Okay. Guys, I usually do my frying food outside since I'm doing fish because it's going to be too much flies. That's why I just like, you know what? Let me just stay inside. Okay. When we come back, guys, and we'll finish up everything else. Okay. Come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. My fish already cooked. Now let me show you guys how everything looks so far. Okay, as you can see, my fish looks very nice. Okay, and my pickle is already done. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fry my plantain. Okay, this is the salt water before, guys. I'm going to just use it again and then do my plantain, okay? You have to move back a little bit, guys, because you don't want to get burned, okay? Okay? Now when we come back, guys, and then I'll show you what else I'm going to do, okay? I'm back. Okay, guys, now everything is ready, and let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, here, as you can see, my plate already fixed, and then my pickles, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little pepper flakes on my plantain, okay, and a little paprika, okay. All right, guys, very, very delicious. Okay, that's it for me, guys. All right, that's it. Okay, guys, you see that? Okay, very easy. Okay, remember, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, okay? Give it a try, okay? Whatever comments, let me know, all right? Enjoy, have a wonderful day. Bye.